Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, we're gonna learn how to set voicemail number. So, for example, if I click on this call icon now, this phone icon now to view my call history, and then, as we all know, for most of our phones, number one here, if we long press this number one, it's gonna lead us to voicemail. If I press it for long, it's gonna lead us to voicemail number. So if I should call, see voicemail number unknown. So this video is going to walk us through how we can actually set our voicemail number. So what we just have to do is this. First, we have to, going back to our home screen, first we have to navigate over to call history, and from here you can then click on this settings, this settings icon at the topmost right of our screen, this one right here. So click on it, and when we click on it, it brings us here. So the next thing we want to do, we go to number 4 on the list, which is SIM card settings, and then we click on SIM card settings, and next thing we need to do is to go over to carrier features. So we have to click on carrier feature. In this case, we will need to select the SIM card we will be setting the voicemail for. So for this, I'll select Airtel, and then see here the first one on the list is voicemail. So you just click on it to set it. So from here you see 3 lists, so we'll have to click on setup. Clicking on setup, you see voicemail number can be set now. So I'll just click on voicemail number, and let me set it as 111. So if I click OK, you can, don't forget, also set it to be a real number, a real person's phone number that you can call, and then you may have to, then you click on the call icon. So if long press 1 now, it's going to lead us here. Since I set it for just Airtel NG, so I'll just have to click on through this process, you understand? So this is how you can actually set voicemail number on your mobile device. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more content I create later, just click on the notification bell. Thanks, and have a nice day.